If you're looking for an easy and meaningful crochet project, today I want to share a lovely resource for making baby blankets that are both simple and special. We love these easy-to-crochet baby blanket patterns because they are beautiful to crochet using any color of yarn. Be sure to check out baby yarn colors that you want to use before choosing your pattern. The Leisure Arts Make One for Baby Crochet ebook is perfect if you want to create a handmade keepsake for a baby in your life. This collection includes 8 charming crochet baby blanket designs, making it great for beginners or experienced crocheters who want a relaxing project. Each crochet pattern comes with a full materials list, clear general instructions, and detailed illustrations to guide you step by step. I really like that this book also includes helpful tips on gauge, edging, and assembly, so you can feel confident your blanket turns out just right. You'll also find a handy crochet terminology and abbreviation key, which is especially helpful if you're newer to crochet or coming back to it after a break. These blankets are designed to be timeless and practical, perfect for baby showers, new arrivals, or heirloom gifts that can be treasured for years. And with 14 pages of patterns and guidance, it's a compact but very useful resource. The Make One for Baby collection is available as a digital ebook download, or you can grab the paperback version if you prefer having a physical book in your hands. I'll have the link for both options in the description below. If you love crochet projects like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other crochet videos for more inspiration. Happy crocheting!